Hello and welcome everybody. It's KB here, and in this video I'm going to show you guys how to transform your Windows 11 taskbar into a Mac OS style dock. So as you can see right here, I'm using this and it looks pretty cool. And I did this using this application called Taskbar 11. This is actually new open source and free application at GitHub. I will put link in the description. You can go here and download this application if you want to try. And actually this application is very simple. As of now, there are no settings, no GUI. And that's because this is a early access build. All right. This is in like beta or something like that. Yeah. So if you want to try this right now, you can just go to the releases. Even if there is a final stable build, the download process is the same. If you go to the releases, you will see assets. Under the assets, you will see a download link for the Taskbar 11. It's pretty cool, works. Even though it's in pre-release, you can see there is a warning that this is a early access for testing purpose only. So yeah, I will put link in the description. You can read more about this. I'm just going to show you guys how to use this to get that dock style. Let me reset this dock first. Now, click on one of these Taskbar 11, console or non-console one. Both of them just works. I tried both of them. Okay. And your browser might stop you from downloading this because this is a new application, and you can see my Edge browser is saying that this application is not commonly downloaded, so make sure you trust this application before opening it and all that. So this is an open source application. Most of the open source applications are safe, and this one is also safe and very lightweight, actually 26 kilobyte only. All right, so as of now you might see this error, so you need to click on keep anyway, and it will get downloaded. Go to your downloads folder. Once you're in the downloads folder, just double click to run Taskbar 11, just like that, and it will run the console. And you don't have to keep opening this, actually, just close that out. And now you have that macOS style dock. Looks pretty cool. This application is great and all, it's free and it's in beta, I get it, but there is a one bug. When you open too many applications, this application doesn't know how to expand itself. So even if I open like multiple applications, just like that, you can see my start menu and the other applications are now hidden. And if you open more applications, they will be completely hidden because this application doesn't know how to expand itself. Okay, so that's really sad. To fix that, you can actually run Taskbar 11 again. If it doesn't fix, run it again. Just like that, you can see now it is fixed. But there is one more problem. After you close the applications, the spaces are there. So it's not a perfect application right now. So there is also a warning that this is for test purpose only. So soon they will add the GUI settings and everything. As of now, there is no settings. There is no application running in the background or anything like that. So this was just a quick video that there is this application that is like can do very cool stuff, like make the dock style look on Windows 11. And when there will be a stable build, I'm sure this will be much better, and I will make a review video about this because as of now there is nothing to show you. There is no settings, no nothing. But if you tried this, now you want to know how to turn this off. Actually, they mention here how to turn this off. Okay, if you read this, what you can do is simply go to Task Manager, just open it up and restart your File Explorer. Once you restart, your normal taskbar will return. Yay! So yeah, that's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and hopefully soon, very soon, we will get the stable build of this application with GUI and settings and everything. Yeah, and then I will make a proper review, because I think this application is going to be better than translucent TB something. There is other application too which can do the same thing, but I found that application like very complicated and it doesn't work sometime. But I hope this Taskbar 11 will work better than the other one when there will be a stable one. So I'll do a review when there is a stable release of this application. So that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. If you want to try right now, I will put link in the description. You can go there and download it. Even if you watch this like after there is a stable build, the download process will be same. You will see that this is a stable build or something like that. Yeah. So yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed it. I will see you in the next one. Take care of yourself and have fun. Bye bye.